Travel around the globe with the best of airlines. Stay at the most desirable hotels or resorts. Take on to the sports adventures and make the most of your holiday with no danger of going over budget. All this and much more. Just step into Sheetal Travels. At Sheetal Travels, we do everything to ensure your vacation is the best it can be. All you have to do is just choose the destination and rest we would ascertain the best of vacations for you. Established in 1999, Sheetal Travels is accredited with International Air Transport Association, approved from Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, member of Travel Agent Association of India, and approved MoneyGram franchise makes it best travel agency in the country. Domestic and international air ticketing with attractive fares on almost all major airlines: Air India, Kingfisher, Jet Airways, SpiceJet, Indigo, Go Air, Malaysia Airlines, Cathay Pacific, Thai Airways, Emirates, Singapore Airlines, British Airways, Lufthansa, and various other airlines. Sheetal Travels specializes in individuals tour packages, group tours, honeymoon packages, special interest packages, MICE tours. Lavish, comfy hotel stay that fits in your budget only at Sheetal Travels. Get the pleasure from the relaxing vacations ever in India or abroad with finest travel deals of Sheetal Travels. Exotic locations, beaches at Goa, 5-star hotel stays, and other exploratory activities. Discover the beauty of Kerala. Cochin, Munnar, Thekade, Alleppey, Kumarakom, Kottayam, Kovalam, and more other beautiful cities. Explore nature with its true essence at Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Get most excellent price tours for hill stations which would fit in your budget comfortably. The places include serene locales such as Darjeeling, Gangtok, Sikkim, Kalimpong, Mirik, Guwahati, Shillong. There's lots more to offer. If you wish to experience real essence of metros, here we go. Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, and Bangalore at an unimaginable low cost. Feel the divine power these vacations only with Sheetal Travels. Take a trip to Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Orissa, visit Golden Temple, Haridwar, Rishikesh in North. We are sure to make your vacations memorable. Capture the picturesque beauty of Srinagar in Shikara at Dal Lake. Catch on the experience of strolling down the Mall Road in Shimla. And don't miss any chance to be at Kullu Manali, the valley of natural beauty. We at Sheetal Travels make your dreams come true with the best deals ever. After exploring hidden treasures in Indian cities and wish to head on to other parts of the world, Sheetal Travels will help you make your trips unforgettable. Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Hong Kong, Macau, explore entire Asia. Get into the children's dreamland, Disneyland. Enjoy your trip with Mickey Mouse. Get the opportunity of having breakfast with Donald Duck and get your children live through an out-of-the-world vacation. Europe is another destination waiting for you. If you wish to indulge in adventure and art, London, Paris, Italy, Spain, Austria, and Switzerland offer vivid culture, adventure activities such as jet skiing, bungee jumping, and kayaking. Hey, what about a vacation on a cruise? Cruise all over the world, be it America, Europe, or Asia. Enjoy the lifetime experience on cruise. Statue of Liberty. Theme parks at Orlando. NASA Space Center, Hollywood, dazzling lights and casinos at Las Vegas, and Niagara Falls. Sounds extreme. We are here with striking packages for United States and Canada. To ensure that your journey is comfortable from the very beginning till the end, we are with you through your travel insurance. Whether it's a medical expense, baggage loss, or passport loss, we will lend a hand at every flash. Wish to remain connected back home, even while holidaying at locations abroad? For international travelers, we provide a pre-activated World SIM before the journey starts with free incoming. Well, this is not all. We also reassign your money sent by your relatives and friends through MoneyGram from any part of the world, as we are an official franchisee of MoneyGram. All this and the best of services and guidance at Sheetal Travels. We promise to make your tour enjoyable, relaxed, and memorable. Sheetal Travels, service first. Call now 9855994678. SCO 154 155 near DC office, Sector 17C, Chandigarh. Branch office opening soon at Baddi, Himachal Pradesh.